What a beautiful day today. Water's calm. For Lake Michigan, this is a little oddity. We don't get it this calm that often, but it's nice. Just doing a morning walk along the beach here. Probably pick up some rocks, some samples later on. But for now, let's just enjoy. Little piece of beach glass. Big piece of glass right there. Still pretty sharp. Looks like it's been out there, but not too long. Anyways, I'm not gonna roll it back out though. It's dangerous. Someone would cut their foot with something this large. There's another look at some of these transplants. Those were once all at the top up there. Hey guys, so back from the beach, gathered a few rocks along the way in my backpack, and wanted just to take a look real quick and see what we got. Sometimes it's hard to tell when you're down there, especially the ones that aren't in the water, and sometimes the ones that are in the water, of course, too, what they actually are. So I like to bring them back just to take another look and maybe do some, if you find it really cool, you do a little bit of research on them. So these are some of them. See, there's quite a bit of coral and fossils. A little bit of glass. One big piece I didn't want to leave for someone else to get cut on, of course. And then, what else we have here? So these over here were ones I just kind of tossed aside I wasn't sure of. You bring them back, some may be good, others have cracks in them. It's hard to say, so it's best just to kind of sample them out, and then you can either dump them back down there or dump them over here in the property. Let me show you some of the other ones though are in the pan. So close up on some of these. There's actually quite a few little cool ones in there. Some Petoskey stones, a little more fossils, some quartz, some jasper, agate. So not a bad haul for today. And just going down there, just getting some exercise anyways. And shooting some footage. That Petoskey right there on the top of that one. Nice pieces of coral. Look at all the color in that. That is nice. Especially for Lake Michigan. Some fossilized limestone down there. And just some other ones I thought were really cool. All right, jasper, unlikely.